Hi guys, how are we doing today? How are we doing today? Your girl Lena comes through once again, but to start with, my sincere apologies for yesterday. My sincere apologies for yesterday. I left in such a rush. I did not even say goodbye to us. My apologies. I just got an emergency and I could not really stay around. Sincere apologies. So sorry about that. It wasn't good at all. Not good at all. Please pardon me on that. Okay, so as the day is here for another session, please let us dive straight into it and we see how it's all going to play about. Let me see you guys come through and then we talk trading. Why not? All right. Okay, so over there I see Raphael. Hi Raphael, how are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Sincere apologies for yesterday. Sincere apologies for yesterday. I cut you off. But that was not my intention. I just got an emergency. Okay, Zang Service. Hi, Zang Service. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing okay. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you around. Good to have you around. And thank you guys for keeping time. Thank you for keeping time. So let us get into it for today. Let us see how it's all going to play about. It's a Thursday. That simply means we are getting into the weekend, right? We are getting into the weekend. So come through. Let us make this money such that we enter into the weekend when our pockets are full, right? Come through, guys. Good to have you around. It's always an exciting day to see you guys come through. Simon, good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. My apologies for yesterday. Apologies for yesterday. I got an emergency. So sorry about that I just left abruptly like that. All right. So sorry about that. But here we are for today's session. Let us see how we are going to go about it. First of all, Pocket Option, that is my platform that I'm trading on. Binary options trading, that's what? Binary options, that's what I'm trading. All right. Okay, so gold OTC, that is the chart. Okay, that is the chart that we are having. And then we have started in positivity. As you can see, we are closing in pluses. Okay. So then definitely, as you can see over there, that is 400 US dollars, 15 seconds. So for the expiration time, that is 15 seconds. My chart time frame, 15 seconds as well. Then for the candle, that is 5 seconds, right? So let us get into it and we see how the day is going to play about. Okay. Carlos, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you around. How are you doing? Guys, it's midweek. Should I? Yes, a Thursday. We are almost closing the week and we are not fresh into the week. So it's midweek. It's midweek. So as traders, how far? What have you managed to do? Have you carried out some trading? Have you done something to improve yourself trading wise? Tell me about it. Tell me about it today. Let us catch up I would love to hear more from you guys today. I want today to be a day where we interact, you and me. Let us talk about trading and definitely let us see what is disturbing you in what area, what can we do. We are all here to improve ourselves, to become better traders. With that sell position over here, let us see. Definitely, like I said, when you get that engulfing candle, all right, for the engulfing candles, you just know that you, oh, beautiful, all right. So definitely, like I keep saying about my strategy, all right, we have the market direction, market structure, the candlestick patterns. How are these candlesticks behaving? Are we having an engulfing? Are we having a rejection? Are we having a bullish bullish candle closing at the top? Are we having it bearish? How is the situation? How is the momentum? So those are some of the things that I want us to talk about today. Come through. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you guys. Let us share. That way, that is how we keep improving ourselves in trading. That's how we keep growing. That is how we keep seeing a direction. So, my beautiful people in the comment section, please let us chat, let us interact. Send in a question here and there. Let us see how we can do better. Okay, so definitely over there, Carlos. Greetings. That is Tete. Hi, Tete. Good to have you for yet another session. Okay. Obed. Okay, good to have you. Suraj, good to have you. I see you guys over there. Joshua is already in the building. Let's go. That is God Peace. How are you doing? Hope you're good. That is a beautiful momentum over here, and definitely we have closed in a plus. Let's go. Gold has not started off badly today. We are doing good. So far, so good. Let me keep catching those good entries as we proceed with our chat in the comment section. So, guys, let us interact. Today is a day for us to talk trading. All right. Feel free to come through, advise our fellow traders at the same time. Let us talk about the different strategies that we have. All right, what do you use? Because you find that what Lina is using, which is price action, is not the same as the one that Carlos is using, is not the same as the one that Simon is using, not the same as the one that Tete or Obed is using. So let us chat. Let us know what do you use, which strategy are you using, how are you finding it? Are you progressing or you are still lagging behind? Let us interact and we see. So that is the motion for the day. Let us discuss trading. Let us see how best to improve ourselves. Let us see how good or better to work things out. Okay. All right. So over there, I see Mr. G. Hi, Mr. G. How are you doing? Beautiful. We are doing great. Mr. G, good to have you for yet another session. Tete, Lena, how are you doing today? I'm doing great. And truthfully, my sincere apologies about yesterday. I left on a short notice. I just got an emergency, so I really had to step out. So sorry about that. So sorry about that. That's not how I do my things, but my apologies. All right. Okay. Okay, that is Guppies over there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate you. Ruth is in the building. Hi, Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Simon, thank you so much. Thank you for that. I really do appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. So let us watch the market and see how best to go about it. So right about now, we are in an uptrend. Let's see. But like I said, at times when we break above or when we break below, sometimes it is a fake breakout. So do not hurry up to place in a buy position more so for that situation. You see that if you had placed in a buy position, you would have closed in a loss. Okay. Hope you have seen that. Meaning that was a fake breakout. We are still there. The sellers are like, no, we are still in the market. The buyers are also like, we want to take over. So it is still filled with struggles here and there. So do not always rush so much to make conclusive decisions to take certain entries, all right? Give it a rest, give it some time, watch closely, understand exactly what the candlesticks are doing, how are they behaving. That way, at least you know exactly what to do, okay? There are very many entries that you will see on your chart, but not all of them are worth entering, okay? Are not. Because some of them you might enter them, you thought they were very good ones, but at the end of the day, you close in a loss. So take only those that you are sure of. Though at times, anyways, it happens. You might be sure about an entry, but it still closes in a loss. Though also the other thing that hurts so much is when you have spotted an entry and then you are like, maybe let me see what exactly it's going to do, then it actually moves in that particular direction that you had anticipated. It hurts, actually. It hurts. But good news is there are always very many. So made a loss over there. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me see. Don't you need somebody to keep you up all night? Don't you need somebody? Okay, so are we good? Are we good now? Okay, so we good now? We good? We good? Hey, Charles, I see you over there. Please, that's what I'm working on. That's what I'm working on. And let me hope it's okay now. Okay. So let me see. Okay, William, good to have you. Good to have you. Let me hope we are good. Let me hope we are good now. Lekala over there, good to have you. How are we doing now? Are we good? Are we good now? Teacher Lee, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Thank you, T. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming through. Nori, I see you over there. I see you guys. Good to have you around. Okay. Sazid. Hi Sazid, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Good to have you. Okay. Everyone else in the room can see you. Maybe I'm not like nobody else. Okay, so we keep watching the market and we keep getting those beautiful and amazing entries. Let's go. I want you so desperately. I can't believe you do me. Do you know you're beautiful? Okay, so we proceed. Let us proceed. We see today we are in for some beautiful moves. That is a good one. Okay. We have closing of us. Light up my world like nobody else. Okay, so you guys are lighting up my world. Let us get it. Okay. You know you're beautiful. I want you so desperately. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So today we are seriously catching some beautiful entries over here. Okay. What do you think about the market today? What do you think about the market today? On my end, I see the market is amazing. The market so far, we are doing great. How about you over there? What do you think about the chart that you are looking at over there? That is LZ. Hi, LZ. How are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Over here, we are having some beautiful momentums forming. All right. Okay. Let's see what we have. No wasting time at all. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. What do you think about today's market? Let me hear your responses. What do you think about today's market? I'm just looking at it and I'm like, okay, even for the donations, it should be this good. Okay, so that is LZ. Are you trading after the alligator lines across Okay, so that is one of the factors that I look at, all right? But one thing you should know is that I look so much, I'm using price action, all right, as my strategy. So over there, I have three things that I consider so much that I look out so much. Okay, so I have, when I talk about pure price action, I always look at the direction that I'm in. That is number one. So I do not only trade when the lines cross, but also when these three lines, you are seeing what is happening right about now, how wide they are spread. So that amazing momentum or that strong trend over there, it also gives me buy positions. All right, so I'm not only looking at when the lines cross and all that, because at times alligator indicator, these three lines crossing, it gives me a signal. Okay, it gives me a signal, but at some point you find that that signal it could be a fake breakout. So if I rush and place in a trade, or I buy or I sell, I might close up in a loss. So as you see over there, I'm in a continuation, and I'm in a bullish trend over there, and momentum was good, momentum was amazing, so I bought. All right, so I'm not only looking at lines crossing, the lines of the alligator indicator, but I'm also looking at what direction am I in. Okay, I also look at the market structure. I also look at how the candlesticks are behaving. How are they behaving? Okay, so all these three. Okay, so all these three confluences, in addition with my alligator indicator, they give me a clear spot or clear opportunity for me to enter into the market. I do not just consider the alligator lines crossing. All right, I don't just consider that. That is something that just backs up what I look out for in the market. Okay, so Maredi, hi Maredi, how are you doing? Good to have you over here. I can't hear you, my queen, your internet. I actually do not know what is happening today because everything has been worked on well. Everything has been worked on well, so I don't know what's going on. I really don't know. I really don't know. Okay, Eagles Fly. Your donation was worked on yesterday. Your donation was worked on yesterday. Lena, 350 US dollars, 5 items. All right. So you will help me check out yesterday's session. I worked on your donation and we actually closed in a loss on our fourth attempt. Okay. Okay, what's the name of this exchange? We are having binary options trading. Think about that is Eden over there. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Thank you for coming through. The color actually I asked you whether we are good now. I do not know what is not right, but actually on my end, I see everything is good. So I do not know where it's going wrong. I don't know. I was thinking about her, think about me. Okay, so let us proceed. Let us proceed. Okay, so guys, today as we can see, we are not really doing so badly off. We are not doing so badly off. Oof, beautiful. I just don't know why the internet just wants to spoil it. Yet today is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I just wanted us to share through, I wanted us to talk through I wanted us to interact and know exactly what is happening on our end, how trading is going, you know. That's what I wanted us to talk about today. Mr. Stanley. Hi, Mr. Stanley. How are you doing? Hope you're good. There we come through with our buy position, but definitely at a consolidation, if you guys can see that well. Okay, so I failed to catch that. The buyers, I mean the sellers, overthrew the buyers, so I closed in a loss. That is what I was telling you guys. Trading in consolidation can be tricky, all right? Because both the buyers and the sellers are in the market. So you, at some point, if you are still not so good with a candle reading and understanding how they behave, you might not actually be so lucky to close in a plus, all right? Today the market, we started off on a very, very good note. We've been doing so great. But if you see now, it wants to start acting crazy. Who is seeing those candles forming? It wants to start acting. Okay, so far so good. We are doing great. We are doing great. Okay, so for the guys that are just coming through, good to have you around. Good to have you around. City. Today, if you have noticed, we are ranging so much. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've actually noticed that we are ranging so much. So that simply means that you have to understand exactly what is going on for you to know when to place in certain trades. Okay, so we have broken below over there. That simply means that the sellers are now in control of the market. Let's go. Oh goodness, oh goodness, oh goodness. What's going on today?
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm mine. Oh, she's hot but psycho, so left she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm mine. Make you curse, see you kissing, rip your shirt, within a second. Coming back for second. With your pay, you just can't help it. Oh, no. You put a lump on, never lead you on. If you say you know,
You know, I've tried so much to check and see where maybe I could have gone wrong. I don't even understand. Oh, close that in a loss. Oh, goodness. Okay, we are doing, the chats are really, really doing good. The chats are really, really doing good. But now, if, oh God, I just don't understand it, guys. I've checked it all. I'm actually stuck right now. No, we are. Mm. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm doing all possible. I do not know. I actually don't know where I've gone wrong today. I don't know. Okay, so I don't know how today is going to go. I've tried all I could. So I'm saying that is Coffee over there. Hi Coffee, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Thank you for coming through. Today I think I'm just experiencing some issues, some network issues. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Okay, so that is Capra over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Thank you for coming through. Okay. Okay. You know, whenever we come for our sessions, all I want us to have is to have a good time for our 2 hours that we are here. So if such things come through, they make me feel so bad. They make me feel so bad. So sorry about that. But I've worked and done all I can to so that at least we are on the same page. Okay, okay, Lekala confirms that we are good now. So let us proceed. Maredi, the same. So let us proceed. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Why? I do not like such things for my beautiful people. I always want us to come through and then ride all to the end. Okay. Okay, so we proceed. That is a self position for us. I must have missed a number of you guys, but to each and every one of us who is in the comment section, who is watching, good to have you, good to have you. Your girl Lena over here is so excited, so excited. Thank you for coming through. Always excited to have you guys, all right? So as we can see on the chats over here, we are doing great. We are doing great. So I started off with some few questions here and there, or I just wanted us to have an amazing conversation together today. We discuss and then we see how far are we? How oh goodness, you guys. Okay, so let me see. That is no nonsense. Okay, that is an amazing name. I see you over there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Okay, so Lekala over there. Hope you're good. Hope you're good. Thank you for sticking around. Let us proceed. We're coming tonight. Okay. So no nonsense over there. Good to have you once again. I'm seeing you are joining in from Jamaica, right? Let me hope I have that right. Good to have you, good to have you. How are my beautiful people that side doing? Okay, I'm seeing Ojo over there. Good to have you, good to have you. So Ojo is saying, my gold OTC payout is 80%, but I'm seeing 88% on Lena's. Okay. And the answers come through. Thank you, Moreji. Thank you, Lekala over there. Thank you, guys. Okay, so since the week has started, ever since it started anyways, because right now we are midway and very soon you are going to be seeing people here going partying here and there, enjoying their profits, enjoying what they've made throughout the week. So guys, how are you? How are you moving in your trading journey? How are things going? Are you progressing? Are you finding some challenges here and there? Talk to us. Talk to us. Let us discuss together. Let me hear from you guys. Have you cashed out? Have you made some profits ever since the week started? All right. Oh dear, I made a loss over there. Somebody with the finance when I'm in my radio. Who has carried out some trading ever since the week started? And if you have, how is it going or how did it go? And one thing that I always encourage you to do is to always check on your charts. Do not abandon them. Do not ignore them because as you and me know, consistency adds on us so much. It adds on us so much. So even if you are not going to carry out some trading, please always check on your charts. Make sure that you know exactly what is going on. Just keep progressing in watching your charts, understanding exactly what is happening, how things are going, all right? And for anyone who does not know, this is a pocket option platform, okay, that I'm trading on. And then I'm trading binary options, okay. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my radio. Prakith, hi Prakith, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Good to have you for today's session. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm on my radio. Okay, that is a plus. Is that okay when I'm with my radio? All the bad things disappear. Maybe I am somebody with a bad night when I'm with my radio. Prakit, hello. Prakit, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. And let us keep it going. Thank you, Prakit. Thank you. Thank you. How have you been? How is your week going so far? How is it going? Hope all is well. Hope you are progressing. Hope you are doing good in your trading journey. Blessing. Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you in the building. Let us go. Okay. Oh, Blue says, Sister, today network is so bad. Actually thought it had stabilized now. So sorry about that. Really so sorry. Look at that. Buyers are working against me. Oh dear. That I saw the loss coming. Okay, we have a plus over there. Okay, so right about now, let us get into our donations. Let us get into our donations today. I'm really so sorry about the network. I know it has inconvenienced you guys a lot. I also feel disturbed because I've tried putting things right. I don't know. I really don't understand it either. Okay, so let us get into our donations and we see the fact that we have been having profits. So let me hope also in the donations we are going to do it right. Godwin, hi Godwin, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. So right about now we are getting into our donations. That is Frederick, 356 atoms. Godwin, you seem so quiet today. Just know I came through, the energy was in the air, but when you start seeing your beautiful people in the comment section, when people in the comment section are talking about the network, it has been disturbing me because I've been working on the network. I'm trying to figure out where it went wrong or where I went wrong. I can't figure it out because it looks like everything is okay. So I think that's why I have just a few words. But otherwise, I'm good. I'm good. Maru, hi Maru, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. Pious, your time frame 15 seconds. Expiration time as well 15 seconds. For the candle, that is 5 seconds. Hi, Lekala. How are you doing, my dear Lekala? Hope you're good. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. I know it's not that well because of the network, but let's see how best to go about it. Okay, so those are 2 attempts so far. Just looking out for a good entry, then we proceed. Okay. Okay, not bad so far. So far, so good. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You're gonna feel me. At some point, I feel like everyone wants to have a share. You know, everyone wants to have a share of the 6 atoms, right? And let us see how Frederick closes today. Those are 4 atoms, meaning we have 2 more left. I got the eye of the tiger fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me. I love those candles. Let's go. 'Cause I am a champion. Okay. So we are just left with 1 atom to go. You're gonna hear me. You're gonna hear me. Oh, oh, oh. I got the eye of the tiger. Fire. Justin, what's up? What's up, Justin? Good to have you in the building. So we are left with just 1 atom. Let's see. Okay, that is a cell position for us. Okay. Okay. Okay, astronaut, that is 1,750 US dollars. We are taking it for 2 atoms. Let's see. Just warming up for the market. Okay. Let's go. We are just taking it for 2 atoms. No wasting time. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So we have just one more atom to go. That is for astronauts. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So, my beautiful people in the comment section, greetings, 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 and to those that are just watching. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you so much. That is Ade. I think Adesi. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Good to have you around. Good to have you around. Hello, hello, hello. Somebody wants somebody loves Goodwin, actually, we are doing great. We are doing great for the night. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Because beautiful, beautiful. Ever since today's session started, Gold OTC has done so well, has done so well, right? So I do not see why I should change to Silver OTC. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Because for the donations so far, we are doing great. We are doing great. Oh dear. After praising you, after praising it, now it's going against me. Okay, so that is Oslo over there, that is 350 US dollars, 2,500 US dollars as our take profit. Nice, sweetie. buy position over there. I'm seeing some beautiful structure built over there. That is our first attempt for Osley, but remember we are looking at take profit of 2,500. Let's go. Okay, we are already at 1K. Let's proceed. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is 700 US dollars, 2 items for silver. Let's go. All right, I'm seeing that is Iron Trades. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Can you trade for me? Yes, please. That is very, very possible. I'm going to request you that you check in, and then you will see the proceedings, what is required of you. If you want me to trade for you, the 500 US dollars, 3 items, please. That donations link, there are steps that are needed to be taken. Then from there, obviously, I will be able to trade for you. Okay. Oh dear. Oh dear, that is for silver. So sorry about that. Now, that was on our second attempt. We have made a loss. My sincere apologies. Yadav, hi. Yadav, how are you doing? Hope you're okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. So next that is a key Zeni 350 US dollars, 3 items. Okay. Okay, that is a yarn trades. Yes, trading for you is not something that I cannot do. All right. Have you sent in your donation? But today, okay, so have you sent in your donation? If you are just going to send through, the fact that we are actually running out of time and the list is quite long, please send in your donation and allow me trade for you tomorrow, okay? Allow me trade for you tomorrow. Okay, that is for Kizini. Congratulations. That is Ramiz. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. So I wanna do every time I feel you are in my heart. As I give my love, you feel it, yeah. Every time I breathe, I feel. Okay, that is Trevor. Hi, Trevor. How are you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're doing Amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. John Luck. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing amazing. Good to have you. Okay, so for that we are taking it for just 2 atoms. Okay, so we are into it with a buy position. Definitely, as we see, we broke structure over there. So why not? We close in a plus. That is beautiful. So we are just taking it for 2 atoms. Quit playing games with my Okay, John Luck, the minimum is 350 US dollars. 350 US dollars, that is the minimum. Okay, so we have a plus that is for Whitaker. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Godwin. Godwin, I really do appreciate you. Today, I apologize, my network was a bit disturbing. Sorry about that, because I'm seeing actually with the chat, we are way behind. Yes, please, you should. But like I keep encouraging you, risk what you can afford to lose, right? Risk what you can afford to lose. Check your account. If you can afford to lose the 350 US dollars, please put it there. If you can afford to lose 400 US dollars, put it there. But if the 350 US dollars is all you have on your account, I request you do not put it there, all right? Because at the end of the day, you and me know very well that we do not control the market, okay? We do not control the market, and you find that we might not get exactly what we anticipated, okay? So risk.